Hello guys, and thank you very much for joining me in this short series where I will show you how you can use GearBubble, a very popular website platform, to generate an online income, to build an online business out of creating different types of designs and selling them on different types of products like coffee mugs, t-shirts, necklaces, and other type of products like that. Obviously, you might think at first sight that this type of business or model of business is dedicated to designers, but that's not true. Anyone can do this type of business because even if you are not a designer, you can work with someone who is a designer. You can take care of the marketing part, or you can hire someone to create the designs for you, or buy the designs already created. So there are different ways of doing this business. Now, first things first, I want to get you introduced into the actual platform to see how it works. Basically, let's say that you have a couple of very cool designs, both created by yourself, created by your partner, it doesn't matter. What you can do is use those designs to sell them through this platform. Basically, on the platform, you will automatically apply the designs on t-shirts, on coffee mugs, exactly like I've told you earlier, and you just have to upload the design. They will do all the shipment, the fulfillment part for you. They take care of the orders, of the logistics and everything. You just have to take care to have a cool design and to promote the actual product that you want to sell. Okay, so first things first, let me show you exactly how you can create an account on this platform. So the platform is called GearBubble.com, and you will see that there are different spins that you can take for this business. Okay, there are different ways of doing this business, but let's first of all create the actual the actual account that you'll need in order to be able to sell this stuff. Okay, so go to gearbubble.com. You will have some options here. For me, it's as you can see, I've just signed out because I was already logged into the platform. You will have an option to get started. Okay, start selling your own products today. So you will create an account for free on their platform. I won't take you through the account creation part because it's actually very easy. So it's nothing that you have to worry about. Okay, it's just a couple of fields to fill in, with your personal information, email address, password, name, and that's about it. And after you have created your account and confirmed it from your email address, you come back to the platform on gearbubble.com. You will have an option here, login. I will press the login button. That's what you will have to do as well. And you can see that I already have my information here remembered by my browser. I will check this option, remember me, so that the next time I don't have to log in again. I will be already logged in when I enter on the platform. And what I want to do right now is press on the login now button, and basically here it is, my dashboard. I've just logged into my account. Okay, so this is the dashboard. It's actually very simple. You see that you have some options here. Basically, this is your menu: get paid, stores, invites, discounts, reports, affiliate dash, launch campaign. Basically, what's very cool about the platform is that you also have this affiliate dash option. So it allows you to sell your products through affiliates, so to give out affiliate commissions, okay, to people who are promoting your products. In my opinion, this is one of the best way that you can use to promote products, because basically you don't have to pay for traffic, and for traffic that you don't know that will actually convert. You are only paying for traffic that sells. Okay, so that's why affiliate marketing, in my opinion, it's one of the best way to go in any type of business. Then you'll see that you have this option here, stores, and I won't go into a lot of detail with that, because in order to be able to access this stores part, okay, for you to be able to create a store on GearBubble, you need to have at least 3 products live. And how do you put a product live out there? Where first of all, you have to launch a campaign. Basically, a campaign is adding your first product here on the platform to be able to sell it. Okay, so let's see how we can add our first product. Okay, first of all, we go to the launch campaign, we click on this, we have some options: traditional, couple, club, stack, store. We want to go for the traditional one. Okay, and here it is. So the first thing that we have to do is to select our product. Okay, you can see that this is a 3-step process. Select your product, create your design, and add a description. So you can see all the types of products that we have here. We have coffee mug, necklace, bracelet, shirt or hoodie, phone case, hat, beanie, pillowcase, poster all over, and leggings, which is actually pretty cool. So we have like the 11 products, 11 products from which we can choose. So we can use the same design to sell on 11 different products, which can be very profitable, obviously, right? But some of you guys maybe just want to do designs for coffee mugs, some just for shirts, some of you maybe just for beanies or for leggings. I don't know, for example, I've never tested leggings, but I think it can be pretty profitable and cool, okay? But I will just go for this example with the first option that we have with the coffee mug, right? So I will click on the coffee mug and I will press the next step button here. And here we go, we are into our next step, okay, from the process. You can see that we have a button here, upload design. Basically you have to click here. You already have to have your design already created in order to be able to put it on the coffee mug, okay? You can see your design when you apply it like this, or you can check this point here, use full wrap image, so you can see basically how your design will come on the whole coffee mug. You can see that this area here is the center of the mug, okay? Why? Because it's round, the mug is round, so we cannot see how the design comes only if it's in this wrap mode, okay? But I like to see it like this. But anyway, if you just want a simple design that it's applied on one side, that's okay. If you want to see the whole image, just use the full wrap image, right? Then after you upload your design, and I will just upload something for the test, you have to choose the default style. So you have to choose the type of mug that you want to use, okay? And you'll see that you have like four options here, okay? This one is the small one, the variation, the metallic variation of this one, and you also have the color changing mug. So basically the color changing mug is that type of mug which when you pour hot drink into it, hot water or something, okay, because of the temperature, you will actually be able to see the design. Otherwise it will be black, okay? So when the mug it's empty without any hot drink in it, okay, it will be black. Or when it has cold drink in it, it will be black. But when it has a hot drink like coffee, tea or something, it will become white and allows you to see the actual design, right? So this can be something very interesting, but I will go for the normal one right now. And after that we have to choose the color. So we have the default color. We can see that we can add other colors as well. We have white and black. Let's go for add color, click color to remove, okay, add color. No, so basically for this type of product we have only these two colors, okay, black and white. Now let me show you how the design looks like if you upload a design on it. So let's upload our graphic. You can see that you have some requirements here, like maximum file size, file types, full wrapped image dimensions. Each dimension background must be transparent, logical, okay? So take in consideration these requirements, especially the file size and the file type. And I will just click on this button, upload graphic. I will look for cat. I know that